their days moving heavy things and their nights
But building
at
a
the
big
gym,
piece of furniture like this, and then attaching it all together, and then trying to stain it and paint it and flip.
I told them everything about my father's rules and the punishments, and the years of calculated cruelty. The middle brother kept clenching and unclenching his fists, while the youngest one had tears in his eyes, and the youngest told me, no one lays a hand on our sister and gets away with it. I explained my plan to them. Every Sunday morning at 9, he sits alone reviewing his rules while his security cameras record everything that's what he did. I didn't sleep at all Saturday night because I kept seeing Sarah's blood on my father's floor and hearing his voice saying she'd learned to respect his household. By Sunday morning, my hands were steady with purpose as I made coffee and carried the pot toward the security system. My father sat at the dining room table surrounded by his laminated
Today I'm
lists,
starting to get
completely
Wavy
absorbed in his
Project,
weekly ritual of
but
reviewing
I have a
every
problem.
single rule.
I need
The coffee
supplies,
spilled perfectly
and
across the
fast,
recording
without much
equipment, and I watched the lights flicker and die while my father remained oblivious. My girlfriend's brothers arrived exactly 10 minutes later and didn't
Same
bother knocking
size,
because I'd
no
left the door
guesswork.
unlocked for
I
them.
wanna
My
be able
father
to
actually
just
tried to
install
quote
it
a
all
rule
at
at them
once.
saying, in my
You're gonna
house,
wanna
the
take
oldest brother
these
cut him off by
chairs
taking